Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a button hover effect inside of Webflow, okay? And this is going to work actually very similar to when we created text hover effect, okay? So just go to the part of the website where you want to create this button. In my case, it's going to be this one here. And I'm just going to go to this plus icon here, and I'm going to look for element that is called button, okay? So just type button. Now, usually, you're going to want to select this one here, which is the first one, because it has some text, okay? Here we have it. Now I'm just gonna replace this text with something else. For example, example button by just clicking on the text. Okay, and I'm also gonna change the color. Okay, I want to go, to the style section in here, and I want to choose something different. For example, in the background, I'm just gonna change to black, for example, right? Which looks cool. Now, if you want to add a hover effect, you have to go to interactions. You have to click on element trigger, mouse hover, and then you have to select an action, okay? Usually you want to select something like grow, flip, slide, pop, things like that are going to be pretty common, okay? In my case, I'm just going to do something like spin, for example, okay? Just to see how it looks, okay? And you can add a small delay to make it look more natural, okay? And after you're ready, just click on preview to see how it looks, okay? And you can also go to this preview button here. And if we try to scroll down, this is what we have, okay? We have our example button that is flips, okay? Thank you so much.